decision of this court is that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer to a biological woman and biological sex.
It's now official in the UK. Men are men, women are women, and trans women are not considered women, not just in science or on paper, but now also in law. The case began when a group of campaigners in Scotland challenged the Equality Act in 2018. They argued that under the Equality Act, trans women and biological women should be categorized separately.
We were in a really difficult place in Scotland then. We thought we were going to see rights for women rolled back, and today the judges have said what we always believed to be the case, that women are protected by their biological sex, that sex is real, and that women can now feel safe that services and spaces designated for women are for women, and we are enormously grateful to the Supreme Court for this ruling.
But the Scottish government maintained that a trans woman with a GRC is legally considered a woman and therefore should be granted the same legal protections as other women. However, the recent ruling in favor of biological women is expected to reshape many aspects of UK's law and policy. So what does the ruling mean? Trans people will now be banned from accessing women-only spaces such as changing rooms, toilets, hostels and medical services. Do you remember the case from April 23, 2023 when a trans woman named Lexi Secker raped a woman in Wiltshire? Although she was later ordered to serve her sentence in a male prison, Lexi was referred to as a she throughout the court proceedings. With the recent ruling, instances like this are expected to be more tightly controlled. Trans women will also be prohibited from participating in women's sports. This would mean that the English Football Association's earlier decision to allow trans women to participate in the women's game, provided their testosterone levels are below a certain threshold, is also likely to be reconsidered. The ruling is also likely to influence policy making within the armed forces. Although at the end of ruling, Lord Hodge also ensured that trans people are still protected under the Equality Act from discrimination and harassment.